Today's craft: Pinecone bird feeder. Supplies: pinecone, peanut butter, butter knife, string, scissors, and birdseed. Step 1. Cut a piece of string and tie it to the pinecone. Step 2. Smear peanut butter onto the pinecone. Step 3. Put seeds on the peanut butter. Hang the bird feeder outside and get the attention of some feathery friends. You may get the attention of some furry friends as well. Find us on your favorite social media website and at easycraftshunt.com. Footage provided by easycraftshunt.com. Made with Pixlr Editor and Corel Video Studio. Animation by Dolphin Studios. Music by Kai Engel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share. Subscribe for more fun craft videos, and thanks for watching.